As a result of the new 3nm A17 Bionic chipset, there have already been rumors regarding how powerful the iPhone 15 Pro would be. The listed scores are quite impressive, easily outperforming the iPhone 14 Pro, even though they differ significantly from the numbers from an earlier leak of iPhone 15 Pro testing results. Now, a new set of leap benchmarks gives us a greater understanding of just how strong the iPhone 15 Pro really is. The leaker claims that the iPhone 15 Pro scored 3269 on the single-core test and 7666 on the multi-core test. This indicates that the CPU will indeed have a maximum clock speed of 3.7 GHz and 6 processor cores, and the score sheet appears to be from a Geekbench test. The leaker doesn't explicitly say which benchmarking program was used, but based on how these numbers compare to the earlier benchmarking leak, which said the iPhone 15 Pro's Geekbench 5 results were a 2,317 single-core score and a 6,750 multi-core score, I would believe that it was Geekbench 6. Geekbench 6 testing produced scores of 3,019 for the single-core and 7,860 for the multi-core. These most recent results imply a little improvement in single-core performance but a slight drop in multi-core performance. The A17 Bionic chipset is expected to be the first mobile chip made using a 3nm process, which is significantly smaller than the form of the A16 Bionic and 5nm chips used in the best Android phones. The procedure node should enable higher efficiency in the chip, with manufacturer TSMC claiming that the 3nm process could boost efficacy by as much as 30%. The iPhone 15 Pro is rumored to feature more RAM than the iPhone 14 Pro, although a recent leaker claimed that the likelihood of it happening was remote. The iPhone 14 Pro has 6 GB of RAM. The alleged leaker has returned with new intelligence, according to a Twitter tipster. The Redditor claims that Apple tested the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max versions with both 6 and 8 GB of RAM, but they don't know which quantity the business ultimately decided on. They speculate that both types may be made available. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.